Some communities in the southern U.S. are under mandatory evacuation orders in preparation for Hurricane Erin. A state of emergency has been issued for parts of coastal North Carolina. Roads and ferries are filling up quickly as locals try to get someplace safe. Erin is expected to bring 10 to 15-foot waves later this week, potentially causing flooding along the Outer Banks. The possibility of life-threatening rip currents and surf have people moving away from the coast and off coastal islands. However, that is becoming increasingly more difficult.
First thing we did was we went online to try to get a ferry reservation because most of the people there this morning were on standby. So I think we might have gotten the last spot for the 7:30 ferry, and there was nothing later in the day.
Wider scale evacuations ahead of the storm's arrival began yesterday as coastal flooding and ocean overwash are expected to begin.